Hello everyone, today I will show you our newly upgraded electric wall beam high lift truck, which comes with harness mounting device. Let's go.
Upgraded with compact, model and user-friendly design, the truck ensures easy handle and fully electric operation, making labor saving and efficiency boosted. For ways movement, the truck keeps running stable even with heavy capacity of 3 tons beam smoothly. The lift height of upper beam is up to 2.3 meters, and the beam high lift is stress-free. The upper and bottom beam loading works extremely stable even under load. The heel frame adopts electric control, and the extension and retraction are highly smooth and flexible. Next, we will see our single wheel movement function, which will quickly adjust the trolley position. Also, equipped with side shift functions, the truck enables left-right adjustments for flexible and precise warp beam positioning. Meanwhile, with up steering and stepless speed regulation function, the truck achieves flexible movement. And L-shaped turns can also be smooth and stable.
Okay, that's all for today's operation test. If you are interested to know more details, please contact us and stay tuned.